Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Nautical Nails. Today I'll be reviewing and showing you 5 Schmitten trial products. So if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe. Guys, if you're following me on my Insta, I have posted a poll there, ask me anything, and people do ask me some questions. So I'm gonna answer them first and then gonna review this Schmitten 5 trial products. Arya Menon asked me which is your favorite nail art technique. So my favorite nail art technique is through brushes. I just prefer doing nail art through brushes rather than anything else. No stickers, no dotting tool, nothing else but the brushes only. I am Dharu asked me my nail break from the middle and after nail polish it becomes yellow. Suggest me something. Dharu, you can just always trim your nails after an extent. I always say you should trim your nails after an extent because they grow a bit longer. So you should always trim. As you can see, just yesterday only I have trimmed my nails. This is because if you'll not trim your nails, they will stuck in your clothes, or if you'll do household chores, they will get break from the middle or anywhere. So you should always trim your nails, and you should always use a top coat of Color Bar. Color Bar is a very good brand when it comes to top coats. You can use it and it will prevent your nails from getting yellowed. My nieces Angel and Meera asked me the secret of my nails. There is no such secret to my long nails. I just always keep them hygienic, keep trimming them after an extent, and they grow beautifully. So Schmitten is an app through which you can order trial packs of everything. I really wanted some of the products to get from like small versions of them, not the bigger versions, because I first wanted to try them, and if they wouldn't have reacted on my skin I would have ordered the bigger versions. So I am blessed. So the first product I got from Schmitten is Mamaearth Upton face mask. Okay, so the promises this mask makes is the saffron clears spots and soothes while adding natural radiance. Apricot effectively exfoliates and moisturizes while making the skin brighter. Turmeric brings out skin's natural radiance and reverses signs of aging. So guys, apart from these natural products, it also contains some chemical products which didn't suit my skin at all. When I just applied this face mask on my face, like within a minute it just started burning. My whole face was burning like anything. And then after I should keep it for 15 minutes, but I couldn't just keep it for 5 minutes. I washed my face and my whole face was so red and burning that I had to apply ice on my face. It didn't suited my skin. My skin type is normal, but it didn't suited my skin, and I'm blessed I didn't bought the bigger version of this and just a smaller version which I can give to somebody to whose skin type it does suit, but it didn't suited my skin type for sure. You can order for yourself, but it didn't suited my skin type. Next product is the Moms Co Natural Clay Face Wash. It is in volume 20 grams and it costs, I guess, I'll just provide the price in the description box. So they promise that it detoxes the skin naturally, remove oil, dirt, impurities, unclog pores, treat acne and blackheads, brightens and mattifies the skin. The promises I relate to, yes, it removes oil, dirt and impurities from my face. I don't have any pore problem with me. I don't get too many acne on my face, just once a month, so I don't get too many acne and blackheads on my face. Yes, it brightens and mattifies the skin, and it is very soothing on the skin. It's not very harsh, it's natural and it's soothing. I liked it personally. I'm not gonna buy the bigger version of it because I ordered another plum face wash. I'm gonna order the bigger version of that, not this one, because I didn't like too much, but I liked it. I would recommend this product to you guys. Next up I have Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. It is a very nice face wash. It's very light on the face, very refreshing. I used it twice a day and it did given me a very clear skin. I really like the Plum product. So what they promise is green tea extracts that is act as a natural antioxidant. Glycolic acid remove dead skin cells. Natural cellulose beads, deep pore cleansing. So yes, what it promises, it does give the result as well. I really liked it. They are 100% vegan and it is very light on the skin. This is the first Plum product that I used and I really like the product, so I'm gonna just order the bigger version of this only. So I'm gonna recommend this, highly recommend this product. Next up, I have Plum Olive and Macadamia Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask. This is I ordered for my hair. I use Mamaearth shampoo, conditioner and hair mask. Today I use this hair mask and it given me a better result. It says it's deeply hydrating. It protects your hairs from UV rays and it detangles and nourishes your hair. Yes, it does what it promises, and my hair, as you can see, my hair looked more shinier, and I just washed my hair yesterday with this hair mask. It given me a better result. But I think I should buy the whole hair care kit of this Plum, like my whole shampoo, conditioner and hair mask for the better results, and I highly recommend this product to you guys. Last product is Plum Body Shower Gel Hawaiian Rumba. It's again from Plum. Before I review it, I really want to tell you something. I've used anonymous body wash, different kind of face body washes, but this body wash fragrance is very strong, and I am a big fan of hard smells. I usually use men perfume because they are harder and they have a very strong fragrance, and I really like them. It is one of them. It's very refreshing, and the plus point of this product is it is cruelty free, which means it is not tested on animals, and I'm a very big animal lover, so it's a plus point. It is free from many chemicals and many sulfates, which usually body wash does have. It is not, it doesn't contain. It's 100% vegan, and it's good for the whole skin. I hope you like the video. If you like it, you know what you need to do. You need to click on the like button. If you wanna say something to me, do comment below. If you wanna watch more such videos, just subscribe to my channel Nautical Nails. Stay home, stay safe. Until then, hashtag keep nailing it. So if you haven't followed me on my Insta and Facebook, you can follow me there.